Good afternoon.
Hello!
Oh, Scoopy's home and he's
I'm
napping.
exhausted.
Puppy's here.
She's happy.
We're gonna go OUT in a little bit. Not right now, but in a little bit, because she was good and all that stuff.
I want lunch, but I'm too tired to make anything, so I'm just gonna go to sleep.
I have a piece of bread with tomato and cheese.
That's okay.
Yeah. You can't spell. Stop it.
Yeah, you can't spell O-U-T.
Stop it.
P-O-T-T-Y.
Well, I'm gonna finish editing the vlog. It started last night.
Yeah, it was really
You should
good.
go check it out. I got some borrowed ideas from Cullen and Katie and Brian from Daily Bump.
Yeah.
So, thanks for that idea.
After dinner, we're gonna be filming some stuff. So yeah, special stuff. Let's see some of that behind the scenes action. Yeah.
Yeah. Oop. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Go get it. Get it. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Woof, 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 woof. You want the ball? Dun 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 dun. Get. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? It's over here. Is this what you want? Thank you. Oop. You're so cute. It's Zoomy time. I was scratching her and like so much fur came off. Like I couldn't even control it. It was blowing everywhere. She looks all messed up on the sides. Zoomy, zoomy. Go, 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 go. Run. You're nuts. Yeah, Mommy brought water out. I figured that way she could play longer. She always gets so dehydrated. Yeah. Bum. You're nuts. You're ridiculous and pretty all at the same time. Now what are you doing? You chew on the tree? It's already broken enough. Why you gotta break it more? No, Allie. It's already been through enough torture. Why do you have to do that? That's not very nice. What did the tree do to you? What did it do to you? Miss Allie. Miss Allie. Weirdo. You're such a weirdo. Where's some more water? Flappy tongue. Go get the water. Go get the water. Hi, Spike. He's so cute. You're ridiculous. But you're cute.
We just brought up groceries and stuff. Scoopy's munching on something. Little crackers. Some crackers. I just had some roast. I didn't vlog it because I was just so excited. Grandma made like a pot roast. Oh, Grandma, you gotta make more. So good.
I'm gonna have the meatballs soon.
Yeah, meatballs soon. I gotta eat something else too. I'll figure it out later. I don't know.
You wanna edit her? I'm gonna eat her.
She might like that.
Not like that.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I went there. Yep, I went there, Allie.
I'm straight.
I went there.
I had my meatballs.
How was your meatballs?
Boring by itself.
Uh,
So now I'm having Jack's.
You're having Jack's, I'm editing Jack's. Allie's smiling. This is, we recorded a lot. Holy shit. You getting your ball? You trying to get your ball? Get it? You got it. What a good girl.
Yeah, you lost it. Oh, you got it.
You're getting good at this, finding things.
See, so you put them under there on purpose, so I'm gonna stop getting them for you at night.
Yeah, you know how to get them.
Don't bring it to me. You play like a cat in the house. Good girl. She's so cute. There's a lot of you playing in this vlog. Sorry.
I don't know what's happening right now. It's really bright in this room. There's a camera set up. I have a fucking mic on me. I'm holding another mic. I don't know what's going on. Oh shit, the battery's done charging. I already got a battery in it though. What is happening? I put my wide angle lens on because I wanna see how that looks. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't use it on the weekend, but I wanna use it now. I think it's kinda cool. I think it's kinda cool. Let's do it. Let's do it. Well, that was fun. We just filmed a tag video. I'm gonna include some bonus footage of Allie right about now.
This is boring.
What are you doing?
You have a microphone.
You got a microphone, you're a dog.
It looks like a sideways turkey gobbler.
Go, 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 go.
Arr.
You're beautiful on this screen. Yeah, you're beautiful. You wanna go OUT?
Ooh.
You wanna go OUT? You wanna go out? You wanna go pee? Do you wanna go pee? Do you wanna go pee, baby?
You're doing the giraffe
You wanna go? Oh no.
He doesn't like that. She just wants to play with you, Spike. Don't be so mean. Ooh, that growl. He's not playing. He's so angry. Oh my god. And you're so happy. Say thanks for watching. Spike. You have a string. See? Say thanks for watching. Give it a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. We're doing a giveaway. Just need 100 subs. Really, really close. Spike. Alright. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.